gonna hold it until it doesn't go anymore. I don't care. Holy shit! Smash!
I'll tell you what, boys. These Aztecs work.
Oh yeah, they do. That's a nice gentleman. Bigger tires than you, more lift, doesn't hog it out for the little guy. I appreciate it.
Yeah, nice little clean though, right? Like he got all the stuff out of the bottom. Yep.
Oh, it's just gonna be held now. It's hogged out. Unless you want to have a rip at it, because I will hog the living shit. I'm gonna get fucking buried in there.
So 35s versus 34s. Assassinators, oh, they got big lugs on them. Big 3-inch paddles. Yeah, right?
You guys all good?
Yeah.
I'm about to get covered.
Hey, give a shout out there first, Dan.
What?
Give a shout out to your YouTube channel.
Project Vengeance, fuck Polaris. Project Vengeance, yeah. Same thing as last time.
Oh yeah, she's deep. You know it's deep when the 34 disappears.
Ain't no 35, that's for sure.
Yeah, he'll just walk right through.
But look at.
See, that's when those 10 widers make a difference.
Sometimes it's not about all the wheel speed, eh?
Yeah. Mint. Well, now that all the big tires have gone through, we'll give her a nice shot.
Oh, Brian?
Yeah.
Fuck, you to hold it?
Yeah.
Where's Lauren?
Yeah. Yeah. Where's my camera operator?
Camera girl. Did she take some decent pics?
Thanks, Dan.
Oh yeah.